Step number 1, log into the website that will pay you to watch advertisements. Step number 2, watch the most popular ads. And step number 3, collect your cash straight into your bank account. Hey, welcome back. This is Ryan Hildreth. Now, before I show you exactly how to earn $4.23 every 30 seconds, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video and make sure to click that little notification bell next to it so I can alert you on the latest ways of making money online. But check this out right over here. As you can see, this payment was sent to me for literally less than 20 minutes of watching ads, okay? Results are not guaranteed. You may earn more than this, the same, or a little bit less, but I can tell you one thing. If you don't follow the exact steps throughout this entire video, then results like this will definitely not be possible for you. So make sure to stick all the way through and do not skip over any of the steps. Now, the 3 steps to earning $4.23 every 30 seconds for watching ads are: step number 1, I'm going to be revealing the top platform that is paying people to watch advertisements. Step number 2, I'm going to be unveiling the 2 other ways of earning on this site so you can create additional streams of income. And step number 3, I'm going to be showing you how to get other people to watch ads for you on this site so you can earn on autopilot, okay? So let's go ahead and get straight into this. We're gonna go ahead and go over to the site that's paying people to watch ads, and this site is called Paidverts, okay? Connect, click, and earn. Discover how easy it is to advertise and earn at the same time, okay? So it's very easy. Literally 3.6 million registered users on this site that are earning money, and they even have a mobile app that you could download in the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store, okay? Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And they paid over $9.2 million to their members like me and you, okay? So very easy to get started with this site and very reputable. So once you log in, okay, you're gonna register for a free account. It's gonna take you to this dashboard right here, okay? There's lots of different places to click. Now, I'm gonna show you exactly the top 3 places to click to earn the most money, okay? So the very first thing you're gonna do, okay, is click on games, okay? This is the first method, not the highest paying method, but definitely there's a game on here that pays pretty high. And then I'm gonna show you the next 2 methods, which is watching ads, okay? So we're gonna click on games. That's gonna take us right over here. Now, when you scroll down, okay, they're giving away what is called BAPs, and these BAPs can be transferred in exchange for dollars, all right? So, this game right here pays out 1 BAP. Definitely don't want to play that. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, okay? And if you see this one right here, Minesweeper, this pays out 400 BAPs, okay? 400 BAPs right here. So that is the game you're gonna wanna play to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time, okay? So you're gonna get 400 BAPs, then you could exchange it straight for dollars. Now, let's go ahead and go over to the next way of earning, which is PTC walls, okay? So this is paid to click walls. Literally, they're gonna pay you to click on these mini advertisements, okay? Sometimes it leads to a website, you just have to click and you earn. Now, the payouts are very small, as you can see, very small, but they're easy to do. You literally just click on this, boom, opens up a page. Click on this, boom, opens up a page, and you could do that for all of these, okay? And then refresh the page so that you could just do it all over again. So this is something you could do in your spare time while you're eating or while you're taking a break from work to earn a little bit of extra income, okay? So that is where you're gonna go. Now the next place, okay, is paid ads. You're gonna click on paid ads up here in the right-hand corner, and that's gonna take you to the actual advertisements that are gonna pay you 8 BAP, which you could exchange into dollars, all right? And you could just view activation ad, okay? View activation ad, you're gonna click on all of these, and then you get to claim your BAP reward. As you see right here, your current BAP reward is plus 32 BAP, okay? So I could claim it right here, and boom, goes straight to my account, and then I get paid out in many different ways, as you can see here on the bottom, right? Payeer, Payza, Perfect Money, right? PayPal, that kind of stuff, web money. So different ways of getting paid to your bank account. But there's a way here to get other people to actually log in and start watching ads for you so you could earn on autopilot. While you're sleeping or doing whatever you love to do, there's going to be other people on the internet that are doing these things for you, and you're going to earn a percentage of their earnings. Okay, so where you're going to go is you're going to go up to the right hand corner right here where it says my name, and then you're going to go to refer friends. Okay, refer friends, and that's going to take you right here. Now, as you see, this is my special referral link. When anyone clicks on this link and registers for a free account and starts watching ads and earning money, I'm gonna earn 5% of whatever they earn, okay? So let's do the math here. Now, if I pull out a calculator, okay, we can say, let's just say we get, 10 people to click our link, and, every single one of those people collectively over a month earns, let's say $2,000 collectively between the 10 people, okay? 2,000. Then we're gonna times that by 0.05 because that's what we're gonna earn. So we earned $100 in completely passive income. We didn't have to work for it. Other people were working and watching the ads, and we're earning on autopilot, okay? This is called affiliate marketing. Now, this is exactly what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you where you can share your link, okay? This link right here, this is gonna be, your link's gonna pop up here. I'm gonna show you where to share it and get thousands of people to register and start watching ads for you so you can earn on autopilot, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this link, okay? And we're gonna go to our first place, and this is on Facebook right here where I searched make money online. Then I went to groups and toggled the public groups toggle on so that I could join any one of these groups right now. I could literally just click and join, okay? So like this group right here has 66,000 members. This one has 101,000 members. Now, I like this one because it says make money online, post affiliate link. They allow you to post your affiliate links like this guy right here is posting his link to this site. Now, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the same thing as this person and get thousands of people clicking on our link in this group. We have access to 66,000 people, okay? So that's the number one way. Now, another way, okay, let's just say you make a few $100 or a few $1,000, right? You're gonna come over here to this site right here called Udemy. Now, I'm gonna link a full tutorial up in the right-hand corner of this video that's gonna show you exactly how to use it, but I'm gonna explain real quick how I use this site, okay? So this is a site where we can get access to people who have millions of people on their email list that are interested in business opportunities, making money online, and they'll blast out an email with our link, okay, to however many people we want. Now, what I'm gonna do is, let's just choose one of these people right here, okay? That's gonna take us over here. Now, what I do is I'll say, hey, send me, 100 visitors, all right? 100 visitors. And again, if each one of these visitors, collectively 100 visitors, okay, makes, 2,000, let's say even $4,000, then I'm gonna earn $200 in passive income, right? But I only have to spend $53 to earn that money. All right, so 53 turns into 200, or we could even do more. We could turn $78 into maybe 500. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll ask this guy, hey, Thorsten, can you send 100 visitors to my link? I'm gonna paste my link right here, my affiliate link, and then he's gonna type up an email and ensure that I get 100 people to click my link. He's gonna blast out an email to his millions of people, and we're for sure gonna get 100 people to click our link and potentially register, okay? So that's exactly how I roll the money and start making more on Udemy. Now, this reminds me of when I first started out, handing out milkshakes and burgers for minimum wage and, doing these little side hustles like the ones I just showed you to make a little bit of money online. I knew that these ways were not gonna make me rich, okay? You could definitely make a couple $100, maybe even a few $100 doing what I just showed you, but it's not gonna make you rich, okay? So I knew that I had to learn how to build a passive income online, and that's when I built this business right here. This is just one of many of my businesses that's generating about $15,000 a month, okay, in purely passive income, and it's been able to pay for some of my vacations, like this one right here. I took my wife to Maui. We travel all over the world, and in fact, when we came back, I even purchased my dream car, okay, this McLaren 570S. Now, I didn't think these results would ever be possible, but when I learned how to build this passive income, everything became possible, okay? So if you wanna learn exactly how I did it, go ahead and click the first link down below this video. That's gonna take you through a business builder challenge with my mentor, okay? Who showed me exactly how to build a passive income online. Now, you could either click that link and I'll see you in there, or you could watch one of the videos that I'm about to link right here on additional ways to make money online. Go ahead and click one of those and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.